Jingles, you like your Bian combing? Let's comb. So the Bian Stone, you can actually comb your pet. And they love it. Look at this. They just love it. Love that Jingles, huh? You good? You like that? The other side? Oh, yeah, she likes that. Let's comb that kitty. There we go. And not only you're combing your pet, but also you helping their circulation to be good. And if any healings needs to be done on them, they'll be online. So not only we take care of ourselves, we're going to take care of our pets too. And this Bian Stone is perfect, the one with the comb for them. She just loves it. Look at that. Yeah, she good. You like this? And she just loves it. Yeah, see, and it combs her hair too. She's a hairy kitty, but look at her. She likes this. She does. And that is also what Bian Stone can do, not only for the humans, but for our beautiful pets. They love it. Look at the big chunk of hair that we got there. Let's move that out. Oh, yes, she just loves it. Yes. So when you buy the Bian Stone, you're not only getting it for yourself, but you're getting it also for your pets. They love it. They know the energies, they know the property, they know what they do. These Bian Stones are just amazing. Help so much with body pain. So if you have an older pet that may have a little bit of inflammation in her joints, this will help them alleviate them just like it helps us. Here you go. My little kitty, she is healthy, but she just loves what she's getting, the feeling of the Bian Stone. Yeah. She may just fall asleep there. Look at her. She may just fall asleep. Look at you, Jingles. I personally put my Bian Stones in a little box where I keep them all in there. The whole set. The whole set is in there. When I don't use my pennant, I put it there too. But it's great to wear it. Keep it on you. The roller. There's another part. You can use them all on your pets actually. She just, the minute I bring it all out, she's there. She wants it. And there's the bracelet. And I keep it all with the chart all in a little box. You can get your own little box or your little bag. Let's try this one here. Want to try this one here, Jingles? Let's try this one here on Jingles. It doesn't matter which one I use, but the comb is pretty good because it combs her and it gets right through her skin. But she just stays there. This cat doesn't just stay like that when it's just for nothing. So there you go. And again, take advantage of the $20 discount coupon that I'm going to post below this video. And if you like this video and share with your friends. Somebody out there may have a pet or may need them for themselves. There we go. Hi there. So here I am. I'm going to do an unboxing of this Bian Stone so you guys can see what you get in a big set of 6 pieces. You get a box. You get a big box. And inside you get little boxes which each one has the Bian Stone. It's really cool. So let's go ahead. Let me bring this to you guys and show you what you get. Now, one thing though, when you get your Bian Stone, I always say wash them with just clean water, and then use a little bit either coconut oil or olive oil, and you wipe them up with that so they'll bring some shine into it, and then make them nice. When coconut oil is great for you, and also olive oil is good for your skin anyway, so that's great. And that is a full body, you can use it all on your body, and it's so amazing. Read, guys, read. I'm gonna put all the information there. Take a read what this amazing stone does. I love my set, so I thought I'd bring you guys an unboxing and show you what you get on it and how they look, and enjoy. Mwah. Let's go for it. So also up there it's a code for $20 off your order, so make sure if you want to order, get those $20 off, because it's a great deal. It's a great deal, and make sure you use the codes I put up here and enjoy. Honestly, I really recommend this. I enjoy mine. This one is mine. I'm keeping this one here. I love you guys. Ciao.